Hi, welcome to Abraz Around the House. This is episode 7 of the Garage Makeover series, and I'll be covering this last section of wall in the garage. In this portion, we'll be going from the side of this cabinet all the way to this wall, and what all this area entails. It's an important area in terms of storing the bicycles and the equipment that I have, and you'll get a better idea of how this space is used and functionality and in organization. So hopefully this will be helpful to you. Enjoy. Love these Ibera bike racks, fully adjustable arms on them, so you can gives you a lot of options as far as storing them, and they look good. One thing I like about this area is the inset that I have here. This is just an extra 4 inches that the rest of the garage doesn't have, and it's because this is an exterior wall and that is interior wall, so it comes out just a little bit further here, which works out really well because of the space of that I have. It extends at a few more inches, and the bicycles still have an inset that doesn't exceed the edge of the cabinet, so that worked out really well. And I'm sure other garages kind of have similar situations going on, but I did like that for this area. Whenever I recognized that fact, that it made it a pretty easy decision to use this wall for the bicycles. And yeah, I bleed blue for the Blues and red for the Cardinals. This is a smart plug for the lower LED by the bicycles. It's important for me to have a power source right here for all of my electronics for the bike, including the tail lights and speakers and such. I use this tool to put my cycling shoes on. And I store my long distance cycling equipment in these totes and put them above the garage door. I've been doing distance cycling for 7 years, and so I keep track of it with these pictures. Thank you for joining me for this episode of Abraz Around the House, the 7th episode of the Garage Makeover series. If you get a chance, make sure you subscribe, like, ring that bell, and comment on this video. Appreciate it so much. It's been great to see all the new subscribers, and we're up to 418, so we're making some progress there and getting a lot of watch time. So thank you once again. You have a great day.